Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where the day starts off with a slight chance of thundershowers and showers over parts of the northern and eastern Cape. Our synoptic analysis shows a cold front moving in late on Friday morning. It cools temperatures off and brings in rainfall mainly over the southern part of South Africa. Ahead of the front, we're expecting thundershowers to form, especially into the eastern Cape, with those thundershowers spreading through to the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal on Friday night, with yet another fine and hot day over the northeastern parts. Our rainfall probability map shows that chance of rain over the southern part of the western Cape due to the cold front, with a very slight chance of early morning thundershowers into the northern Cape, and then you'll see isolated thundershowers extending from the eastern part of the northern Cape all the way through to the coast, with a 60% chance of thundershowers over parts of the eastern Cape. Now, with the hot, dry and windy weather continuing, the SA Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. It's another sunny and hot day in the northeast, 31 degrees for Johannesburg, 32 for Polokwane and Mahikeng, with another toasty afternoon for Phalaborwa and Bombela, both at 35. We stick in the mid-30s as we head towards Ladysmith and Vryheid, with highs in the low 30s and the possibility of thundershowers for Bloemfontein and Welkom. You'll see cooler weather as we head towards the eastern Cape coastline, where we're expecting showers and thundershowers. A high of around 20 is forecast for Port Elizabeth and East London, with a fresh to strong southwesterly wind. You'll see a fresh northeasterly wind for Richards Bay and a 2-metre easterly swell at 10 seconds. A warm Friday is in store for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West, both in the upper 20s. Part of the cool to mild day as we head towards the coast, with the possibility of rainfall mainly over the southern part of the western Cape. You'll see southwesterly winds from Muizenberg through to Jeffreys Bay, but with more of a westerly wind for Plettenberg Bay, with a cool Friday in store. And along the south coast, we're expecting a 3-metre southwesterly swell at 14 seconds. We're heading to the mid-30s for Uppington, Prieska and Kimberley. Part of the cool forecast for Sutherland at 18, and we stick with that cool weather as we head towards the west coast with a predominantly southwesterly wind. A fresh southerly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay, with a 3-metre southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. Cooler weather and rainfall moves in over the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday. We'll see that cooler air pushing in over Bombela at 23, part of the temperatures remaining hot over the central and northeastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.